everybody. Taher here with another CyberByte. Today we're going to be talking about a fairly boring yet super important topic, data backup and disaster recovery. Let's get started. Okay, so most likely you have a data backup and disaster recovery, some form of that at your business currently. You've been told that your data is protected, and it may be, but there's an important question that you need to ask. Let's say the server gets encrypted tomorrow or crashes tomorrow. How quickly can that data be accessed? That's the important question, because the data backup in its traditional sense, you have the server. Think of it like a gaming console, right? It's ready to play, and the cartridge is the data. You put it in the gaming console, and boom, you can play. Now, a traditional backup just replicates the cartridge. So you have a cartridge on site, and if you have a good data backup, you have a cartridge off site. So your data is in three places. It's in the gaming console, it's on site, and it's off site. But let's say that the actual console itself, all of a sudden just exploded. Now, that cartridge is gone, the gaming console is gone. Now, fortunately, you still have your two gaming cartridges. But where's the console? How are you going to play with that data? How are you going to use that data? And that's the important piece of any data backup and disaster recovery plan. How quickly can you play with your data? Now, a really good backup system, the one we recommend and implement, allows you to spin up to a virtual device another console there on site, or another console in the cloud. So that way, if your primary gaming console crashes, you can start playing right away while this one's being repaired, fixed, or replaced. So that's the question you need to ask your IT provider. Is my data backed up? Most likely, yes. If the answer is no to that, then you need to get moving and moving quick. But secondly is, how quickly can my data be able to be used if my server crashes tomorrow? That's the important piece. That's the piece that most businesses that we're seeing when we first take over are not doing well. So we implement our solution, they don't have to worry about that anymore. So make sure to ask both of those questions. They're super important, and we'll make sure that if something happens to your business's data, encrypted, whatever happens, that you can get going quick. Because how much does it cost to be down for an hour, a day, or 2 days? If you have any questions at all on data backup and disaster recovery, please reach out. We'd be happy to provide guidance and show you the right tool for your business. Thank you so much, and have a great day.